Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna highlight another YouTuber, The Smoking Bear, and he's gonna jerk some chicken. Also, he's using my recipe, the Juki Jam sauce. So, check this out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Look at it. All right, we doing a birthday party catering tomorrow, and we are cooking with hickory. Let's go, guys. What do you do when it's raining? You put it on the umbrella, goddamn. Rain, sleet, or snow, or Corona. The Smoking Bear keeps it going. Let's go. I called my son up last night. I said, son, can you take out the rib tips in the chicken? So, he took out the chicken. 70 pieces of legs and thighs for the jerk chicken. 2 whole chickens. Where are the rib tips? Does this look like a rib tip to you cookers? This is a goddamn brisket. It is not a rib tip. Look at that goddamn. Why? Sometimes you gotta do the shit yourself. Damn it, boy. We have to get a refund on this up here. This was done. The food in the freezer. Damn, you can't taste it outside the damn freezer. What the hell is your issue? God damn, I mean, you can't be that damn slow. Damn, I know my ribs are good, but shit. God damn. Yeah, I am the champion. All right, before we start with the ribs, cleaning those and getting those seasoned up, let's get this. Sugar Bear's famous rub. And we're gonna go with the Caribbean jerk rub right here on this whole chicken. We're not gonna put a lot, we're gonna put a little. I just want some tang. I'm not gonna put the deep jerk seasoning on here because I don't want it to be hot. Just a little tangy right there. And then add Sugar Bear's famous seasoning. Now, you're gonna see this chicken water out there on the bear. All right, that's for me. So let's get these 65 pieces of chicken. So they're still soaking in salt. Get them cleaned up and then do these ribs. Let's go. Here's your jerk chicken. Season ready to go on the smoke. Jerk half the chicken. Gotta still season the ribs, but here's your Sugar Bear famous rub. Smoked chicken. All of it's going on at the same time. You know I got a champagne to beer got now. Let's do it. All right, YouTube, Facebook. This is what we got going on. We got 55 breasts on here. Right there, all smoked chicken. Then you got your legs, which is jerk with the jerk seasoning on it. Juki Jams right there, buddy. And that's how we gonna get down. I got the hood up so we're getting a little smoke up there. So we cooking with 100% lump coal and hickory. And up top, you have another 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 42 legs up there on top, right here. So you got 42 down there. It's about 32 right there. So we got almost 100 pieces of chicken on here. Jerk chicken, smoked chicken breast, right there. And that's how we're gonna get down tonight, all night. And I have some half of chickens to put on here. And also the ribs. So this is all night cook that we're doing right here, which I love to do because I got enough beer to keep me through the night. So let's slide on in there. If I can do it with one hand, I should be able to. Rack sticking. Look at that, buddy. Get your ass in there. That damn Yardbird tripping. Get your ass in there. Get your ass in there. I gotta oil that up. All right, she's in there. The fire's gonna go down. once I close this up because it's getting too much air. So we're gonna put our leg rack back and pull it out a little so all that hickory gets the room. That's what we're doing right now. The jerk is on. Right there, buddy. Catering Mar birthday party in Midtown. Right there. Look at it. The smoking bear. Let's put her down. Let her go. Yeah. Look at this beauty. I did not cut it St. Louis style. I'm leaving the tips on here. And we're going to cook it. All 3 slabs. Big boy slabs. Just like this. Sugar Bear's famous rub. That's how you get down. Thick piece of meat. So this fork spare rib needs some love. Look at it. Sugar Bear's famous seafood. Right there. Let's do the other 2 and check on that jerk. How are you, Facebook? Halfway through this cook. It's been an hour and a half on this jerk chicken. Look at it. Look at it. And that lump is burning strong with that hickory. Look at it. Take a good look. Right there, buddy. Got 34 breasts straight up top with your legs. Our temp is cooking at 275. So we're going to get it just right. Right there, buddy. All this is going to be chopped. All of it. Caribbean style, amigo. So, I got the rib season. That's going on last with my whole 2 chickens. Take a good look. That hickory going, buddy. The smoking bear. Let's do it, yeah. Keep the party going. We're going to be up all night. And if y'all up, grab some beer and coffee. I'll be in the same spot. Right here, buddy. Look at it. Right there. Look at that yard bird. Ain't never looked that good. Look at it. Make you want to bite the phone, don't it? Yeah. Right there. Let's keep this party going with this hickory. Let's do it. The smoking bear. Let the dirty smoke out. Look at that. Can't have that in your meat. Gotta let the dirty smoke out. Don't want it to be bitter. Let's put it back down. Got some dirty smoke going on. Gotta do something about that. Early YouTube, Facebook, here's your jerk chicken. 2.5 hours later. Well, going on 3. Look at it. Look at it. There's a beautiful jerk chicken, no jerk sauce. Right there, buddy. Tony Graham, Juki Jam, look him up, AG Born Jamaican on YouTube. He's the one who supplies my jerk seasoning. Homegrown, nothing bought out of the store. Look at it. Just beautiful. Yeah, it's falling apart out there. Outstanding. So this jerk is done. I'm gonna take all of this off and we're gonna let the top keep going slow. We're gonna add Miller High Life champagne and beers to it, goddamn. Let's get it going. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Goddamn, right there, buddy. That's how we gonna get down. So let's keep this cook going. We'll be cooking at 3 a.m. All right, YouTube, Facebook. Look at that jerk. Half a chicken is right there. Look at it. That's Supreme Yarborough right there, buddy. Sugar Bear's famous seasoning right there. And the Juki Jams. on you. Look at it. A.G. Born Jamaican. Looking him up on YouTube. He is right here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Raised in Gainesville, Georgia. Right here, he grows all the peppers right there on his property. Don't get no better than that. Ain't nothing store-bought. This amazing color comes from Tony Graham, Juki Jams, A.G. Born Jamaican, YouTube. Now, we putting these big boys on here right now. The 3 big boys. Pork spare ribs. Tip still on it. It is not cut St. Louis style. We cooking the whole damn thing. Then we can take it off later. Let's do it. I got other things to do. Right here, buddy. This will be about 4.5 hour cook. I believe it's 9 something, 9, 10, 11. We'll be done around 2 in the morning. But look at it again. Right there, buddy. A.G. Born Jamaican, Tony Graham, Juki Jam. Look at it. Make you want to bite the damn phone, don't it? Look at it. Sugar Bear's famous dry rub, Chi-Town style. Let's put it down, let her do what she do. Alright, ribs off. This one's for you, Tony Graham. I'm the champ! The champ! Damn. Watch this, goddamn. Pork spare ribs with the tip still on it. Look at it. I'll give you another one. Look at it. Bones coming out of it. 1 finger. Bam. Bones coming out of it. Just for you, buddy. Just for you, cause you're my #1 fan. Now, let's hit this. You're supposed to cut it from the back, but look at it. Look at it. Pulled pork spare rib. Look at the pull back right there, buddy. Now, let's do a shortcut. Remember, when it's tender, press and pull. Press, 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 and a pull. Look at that smoke ring. Look at it. Let's do it again. Right here. This is Tony Graham Juki Jam. Goddamn. Right here, buddy. Matter of fact, I ain't got a cutter. Let me sit that over here. Here you go. Look at it. Look at it. 3 times on your ass. Wait a minute. Turn. Pull on your ass. Fall off the bone just for Tony Graham Juki Jams. Look him up on A.G. Born Jamaican. Sugar Bear, the smoking bear, is the champ. Till next time, goddamn. Hi, YouTube, Facebook, the Smoking Bear Barbecue and Catering Company. You have your smoked chicken, chopped smoked chicken. You have your chopped jerk chicken. Here's the chicken breast, legs, and thighs, chopped up, original style. The jerk chicken and the jerk sauce. You have your pork spare rib, Chi-Town style, and rib tips. Nice meaty pork spare ribs. And you have your Chi-Town rib tips. Right there, buddy. Look at it. Then you have your deep smoked chicken. This is bone-in chicken breast. Smoked for 3 hours and chopped into nice thick pieces. This is a catering deal that's going to Midtown today. Outstanding. And then you have your old school Chi-Town rolls right there. So, Sugar Bell Barbecue Catering Company. This is what's rolling out. They're making their own sides. So this is a drop and sit cater. Drop and go. Drop it off and go. Pork spare rib, deep smoked chicken. See the chicken in bigger portions and darker sauce. Then you have your jerk, chopped jerk chicken. In the end, your chopped smoked chicken. Look at it. Let's do it. Look at it.
Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out Princess AGTV, also Life with King and Shay, and I want you to go on check out my man, the Smoking Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.